I am here to explain you about our project wireless power transfer. In this project, our main objective is to transfer the power from one device or from one coil to another coil without any wires. So this is our circuit that you can see, and we have also made an application that wirelessly we can operate a robot. That is, the power we will use in operating the robot will be completely wireless. So first of all, let me take you to the start of the circuit. Here is the board that is applying, that is giving us 230 volt supply, and it has 50 hertz frequency. So when we on this circuit here, you can see that you can see LEDs, different colors of LEDs. So it is showing that the circuit is okay as we have made. So now the working 230 volt, the supply is coming through the wire to here. That is our high frequency transformer, and the function of high frequency transformer is to convert 230 volt to 12 volt, that is AC only. So it will be giving output of 12 volt AC and 25 kilohertz frequency. That is, frequency is increased around 10 to 12 volts from 20 hertz to 25 kilohertz. So from here we have attached a primary coil, that is this is our primary coil, and this is our secondary coil. You can see that the fan is moving, so you have to wait a bit. I will explain you why the fan is rotating. So this is our primary coil and this is the secondary coil. The primary coil is getting 12 volt supply. So by mutual inductance, the 12 volt supply is going from here to secondary coil, and secondary coil is attached to this circuit. Yes, you can see we have two LEDs. So first of all, the secondary coil is having the power of 12 volt. It is giving this 12 volt to here. This is the 12 volt, and this 12 volt is responsible for making this fan rotate. This 12 volt is connected to the fan. So this is a proof that the power is coming from 230 volt and here 12 volt. So now I will show you how it is transferred wirelessly. See, this is primary coil, this secondary coil. This is clearly attached, so the fan is rotating. Now I will see that once I will move the primary coil upwards, the fan will start slowly decreasing its speed. So this you can see from here. This primary coil is going up and the speed is coming down. The power is getting low and low. See, it's completely getting off. You can see the fan has totally been put off. Now once again, if you will move the primary coil, that is here, to the secondary coil near, the fan will start moving. It's clearly started moving. So this completely shows that the power is transferred from this coil. This is without any wires. Now next, the application part. Now let me explain what happens after this 12 volt supply. After 12 volt supply, we have the 12 volt supply is not here but is here, and 12 volt supply, from 12 volt supply there are 4 diodes. That is a combination to make bridge rectifier. So the function of bridge rectifier is to convert 12 volt AC into 12 volt DC. So at this junction we will get the 12 volt DC supply. 12 volt DC supply is the one that is helping this fan to rotate, not 12 volt AC supply. You can see this wire is coming from here and this is connected to the fan. Now next we have capacitors and diodes to take the extra noise outside. So from 12 volt we have a voltage regulator, and voltage regulator is IC7805. It is converting this 12 volt to 5 volt. Now what is the use of 5 volt? We can use several devices using this 5 volt, but here we are using this 5 volt to control our robot. That you can see that is the big structure. We have 2 wheels and it will be controlled by our DTMF technology. I will explain you later. So for now, this 5 volt will be used to operate this robot. This 5 volt will be sent to this circuit. This circuit is the main circuit of the robot, and from now 5 volt is coming here, and it's been given to this breadboard. So and here you can see this phone. The phone is connected with a jack, and the jack is connected to this breadboard only. So now we are giving call from this phone to this phone to show you the application. So here we are calling this number, and the phone will ring here. Then I will show you the further process. Okay, now we have got the call from here. So now we'll press the green button, and the call is now connected. So now we'll press the button. Suppose we have to press the button 2. So we have fed the program that 2 will move the right and in the clockwise direction. The right will move in the clockwise direction. Here is 2. You can see that the right one is moving in a clockwise direction. And we have fed that 3 will stop the whole robot. So here is 3 and the robot has stopped. So we can see that clearly it's working just like we have programmed. Suppose we have to now move the direction in a 360 degree clockwise. So we have button number 5. Here we are pressing 5 and now you can see that it's completely moving in 360 degree in a clockwise direction. And once again we have to stop, we have to press 3. Here it is and it has stopped. Now we have all the buttons and all the buttons have different functions. So now let's try the next button. Let's say it's 9. 9, the function of 9 is to reverse. So you can see that it is going reverse. Similarly, we have different buttons of first we have to stop it. Okay, 3. Once again stop. So this is clearly showing that it's working very completely and according to our instruction. That is our project, and I think we have completed it, and that's all for today.